always going to talk about the toenail because I've seen a lot of situations with the toenail. Yeah, man, them thick toenails, they're coming into the department. Yes, they always come in and feel as though those toenails are the most important toenail on earth. So my conversation's always gonna be around that, because it is very annoying when you have some toenail come in and the toenails are curved. The toenails them wiggle up and look like snake. Yes, man, but then it is at that time, and not to mention them thick. So now, like say, you can use a regular nail clip and cut them. So just try and understand the toenails that are always coming in looking like an emergency. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am on my way to work. I have 23 minutes to get in. So a lot of times we hear people doing a lot of night shift, and some people say that them love the vibes on night shift. Some persons don't. Some persons prefer the day shift, while others are, excited about being a part of night shift. So I want to hear what is your take on night shift, working as a nurse, or even just working in any profession, to be exact. Why do you do night shift? Is it because of the money? Is it because of the fact that you don't have a lot of boss around or your supervisors around? What is it that makes you decide to hang on to night shift? Because remember, you're losing sleep. You're losing sleep. You're losing time with your loved one. So why is it that you decide to go on night shift? So go ahead and leave it down in the comment box below, and let us just go into it. If you haven't subscribed as yet, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on, and remember to give it a thumbs up and a like and a share. All right. So a lot of nurses you find doing night shift, they tend to be happy on night shift. They enjoy night shift, and especially if they're doing it for years, it's hard for them to transition back to days. They don't want to get off night shift because of many reasons. And when I did night shift, it was more of, at the time, yes, nursing, you have to be very flexible. So you have to do a mixture of different shifts, right? So days, mids, and night shift. And for me, when I started night shift was okay, especially in Jamaica, where you have flexibility, or they mandate you to do a certain amount, because that circadian rhythm, you don't want to mess it up too bad. So you always want to try to go ahead and ensure that you have flexibility, so that way when you're transitioning from your day shift, it's easy. You're not messing up that rhythm that bad to the point where you're causing yourself to be like stressed out or anything like that. So when it comes on to night shift, a lot of persons tend to go ahead and work on nights because of one, you have a little bit of autonomy on a night shift than when you're on day shift, because you find yourself with the limited providers, so you find yourself doing more. Sometimes you might have what they call standing orders, or JPP, joint practice protocol, which a lot of persons will do have it. So for example, you have chest pain, then there is a protocol to say, okay, then in the event that you don't have a provider, or when a patient checks in through your emergency room with any of these symptoms, they are okay with you ordering those protocols or starting those protocols on behalf of the provider, so you can actually get the patient plan of care going. So you find out that a lot of times persons on night shift, they will definitely be very organized, because they activate a lot of the protocols to help with the management of their patient in a situation where you have little providers available to see the patients in a timely manner. Another thing is that not only the autonomy, but when you're on night shift, you don't really have that much of a boss hanging around. You know, while you're on day shift, sometimes you have 3 different supervisors. You have a lot of persons from administration walking through. They have CEO walking through. A lot of persons don't really like that. You know, it kind of make you feel like you're now being forced to work a little bit harder. Not saying that the work is not being done, you know, but the work is being done, but you're a little bit more free in terms of getting the things done. You're able to go at your own pace. When you see your supervisors, you tend to feel as though, you know, that's the time when you're going to make a lot of error because you're going to try and impress them, you know, which is not the good thing to do. You also have persons doing night shift because, you know, it's just something that they personally enjoy doing. You have some persons who are like night owls, meaning they work better at night. You know, they're a little bit more energetic at night. Put them on day shift, they probably don't give as much as, you know, when they're working on night shift, and so that's just their preference, and you just have to allow them to work the shift because they're more productive that way. So if you put on paper, you know, $30 per hour for both day and night shift, you're gonna find out that a lot of persons will go ahead and choose day shift because then they're thinking that, what is the incentive for working nights? Nobody's gonna be thinking about, oh, taking the same rate, working nights, long hours, missing your sleep, missing your loved one, you know, because you just feel like you want to work night shift. If you're not getting adequate amount of pay to work a shift, you know, people are not going to be considering it. And so what you'll find is that persons will definitely choose the day shift over night shift if the rates are going to be the same, regardless of the fact that, you know, they don't like this or they don't like that. If you're not getting enough money to compensate you for staying up late, staying away from your family members, persons are not going to consider it. And so when you put on paper now that $30 is for day shift and $35 or $36 is for night shift, because they are compensating you for your night shift, so they give you shift differentials, persons will be a little bit more willing to go ahead and people will be a little bit more willing to go ahead and, you know, take up the offer to work a night shift versus a day shift. And so that is one reason why a lot of persons do night shift, because of the differentials for the shift. In the night, on weekdays, you might find yourself getting an extra $2, $3 per hour, and then on weekends you might find out that you get extra probably $6 up to $10 per hour for shift differentials. So you find out that a lot of persons, they prefer that, because sometimes as well, you know, the shift is not that busy, so they prefer to work the shift differentials. They prefer to work and get the shift differentials versus, you know, just doing the basic, you know, regular 7 to 7 day shift and be getting the same one set rate all the time, you know, because on day shift you really don't get any shift differentials because you're not, like, day shift is just day shift, you know, everybody work day shift, so there is nothing to pay you extra for. Everybody wants to work on day shift, so day shift is always gonna be, you know, staff. Another thing that a lot of persons do enjoy about night shift is the flexibility. So you have persons who have kids, you know, they want to be a part of, you know, their programs at school. They want to go and pick them up, drop them off for school. And so that is one thing that a lot of persons tend to enjoy a lot about day shift, the flexibility, because you get a chance in the day to do a lot of things. In the night you go to work. So a lot of persons will tend to benefit from that. And then if you're in school as well, that is also one way for you to get your courses done, because you can still work and study. So a lot of persons who do night shift, you'll realize that they're either in school or they have kids, which will make it a little bit easier for them when they're doing, you know, either of the two. Another thing is when it comes on to the traffic, you know, when it comes on to traffic regarding on the road, yes, to work, but also the traffic, the constant, you know, back and forth of relatives in the department during the daytime, you don't really find that in the nighttime. So a lot of persons on nighttime prefers that because the traffic of relatives, the constant, questions back and forth, assist with this, the constant call from relatives is not something that a lot of persons do like. It is always like congested on day shift. You have a lot of family members always wanting to get things done, and so a lot of persons might not want that kind of work environment. They want to probably like focus on the patient a little bit more. So a lot of persons tend to do that. Sometimes there's so many things that you have to do for relatives that you don't get a chance to do for your patients because your relatives are pulling you away from things that are most important. Because I mean, always going to talk about the toenail because I've seen a lot of situations with the toenail. Yeah man, them thick toenails they're coming into the department. Yes, they always come in and feel as though those toenails are the most important toenail on earth. So my conversation's always gonna be around that because it is very annoying when you have some toenail come in and the toenails are curved. The toenails them wiggle up and look like snake. Yes man, but then it is at that time, and not to mention them thick. So now like say you can use a regular nail clip and cut them. So just try and understand the toenails that are always coming in looking like an emergency. So during those times when you're on night shift, you don't have relatives coming to you now and telling you that, oh, you need to cut the toenail. You don't have those kind of situations going on. So you're able to provide a better care for your patients when you go in to see them on the night shift. On night shift, the relationship is totally different from what it is like on day shift. Day shift always tend to find you in a situation where you have to really be sitting down and thinking, what is going on. A lot of times you find out that this one not talking to this one. So there is always some little drama going on day shift. There's always some little drama going on day shift. Day shift is already stressed out with the constant back and forth of patient relative, the influx of patient. You have administrators, you have your managers trying to tell you that you need to get this thing done in a timely manner. You need to get it done at this time. You need to do it this way. And so you find out that persons on day shift, there's always something going on day shift. You understand? There's always like 2 or 3 different segments working on day shift. And so you don't really have that much, team nursing going on as you would expect. When you look at night shift and you see how, the persons on night shift, the flow of the work on night shift is, so you have a little bit more cohesiveness with your staff. Everybody is together. Everybody is tag teaming. When you have a patient come down, it's like you have a swarm of nurses coming down, or providers coming down, or techs coming down. They try to get the patients in and out in a timely manner because you want to free up the time so you can use the other time, like downtime, to do your personal things. You understand? You can do your personal things from there. So you find out that cohesiveness is a big thing. You find out that the relationship on night shift is a little bit more, stronger, because you also get a chance to, know your colleagues. You get a chance to talk to them a little bit more. You see how they behave, and sometimes you kind of see the true reflection of the person. You see the person for who they are. On day shift, you don't really get a chance to sit down and observe anybody. You just see them doing things, and that's it. So on night shift, you find out that it's a little bit more, persons get a chance to sit down and unwind a little bit in downtime periods, and you get a chance to see your colleagues, know them, you go out with them, you spend time with them a little bit more than what you can do on day shift. And so a lot of times, these are some of the main reasons why you see people doing a night shift versus day shift, even though you consider night shift to be a little bit more stressful because you're not sleeping in your bed. Your circadian rhythm is actually messed up, so you find out that people will still go ahead and do the night shift because of all of these reasons. If you have a different reason for, or I would love to know what your reason for doing night shift is, please go ahead and leave it in the comment box below. And I would love for you to go ahead, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and turn that notification bell on so you can be alerted of my newly released videos. Until then, thank you so much for making the Think Nursing channel, where it's all about nursing, travel, and lifestyle. Until then, bye.